Flora by Sybile Art in 60 by 60 cm rounds version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds that we place on the dandelion that she is holding, as well as the petals or the wisps of the dandelion. So simply sprinkle it in those white areas that you see. So that would be the one with the right arrow, as well as the other symbols like L on this canvas, as well as the symbol small letter T. It may change in the future, just remember to place it on what would be the petals of the dandelions. Flora by Sybile Art 60 by 60 cm rounds version 2 special treatment now adds sapphire crystals that we have placed on all of the blue areas. So this would be sprinkling it on her blue collar together with this blue butterfly, and also some areas on her earring, as well as on the flower on her hair, and also hair accessory. There's some blue accents, so simply fill that in with the sapphire crystals. Flora by Sybile Art in 60 by 60 cm rounds version 3 special treatment now adds pink crystals sprinkled on the pink areas on the canvas. So this would be mostly on her kimono, as well as her headdress, and also some of the flower accents on her skin, like these ones that we see around her neck, and also on her arm or wrist. So simply choose the areas you'd like to highlight and use your pink crystals to highlight those areas and sprinkle it in the pink sections. Aside from that, for version 3, we also have magenta crystals that we have used to fill in her lips. So this is to give it an even glittery effect. Once again, this is for version 3 of Flora by Sybile Art special treatment.